Hello everybody, welcome to a vlog in a day in life of a student of the CLU Law School battling for her life. In this particular vlog, I have a lot of things that are going on. So in this particular vlog, it was Friday and I was going home because I was sick. That's why you guys see the first glimpse of the video. I'm wearing a jacket. I was sick of cold because the place I was assigned to sit has 4 ACs and I'm very, very prone to cold. And this particular week I also had a wedding. It was when I was editing I found out that I didn't include the footage. In fact, I didn't even film. That was how bad it was. So I went to class. I had 4 classes today. So this was my first class. I had, I think, civil procedure and CDBB books that we carry. It is very exhausting. They want me. They didn't. They want me, but I thought it was just a joke or the way I, overemphasizing it. But anyways, this class was back to back to back. So if you're a law student, get ready. So our second tutor coming, and the reason why we're always standing up when our tutors come in is because most of our tutors are justices of the Supreme Court. So you have to give them respect and priorities. It's very much keen in this profession. They take it very, very seriously. So this particular, the second class was criminal, no, it was tort, yes. And our tutor is very interesting. You guys are going to see in the video when he makes jokes for us. Anyways, so I don't even know how to say. Let me know if you guys appreciate me doing voiceover over my vlogs, or if you just let me put a very nice song and let you guys enjoy it. So we started the class and we're just writing, taking notes, all of that, yada 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 yada. But for me, Fridays are better because we have a particular tutor that is very amazing. He's like a father. He makes jokes for us. It's so interesting. So one of the things, and I'll tell anybody going into the Charlotte Law School, prepare yourself mentally because they are going to drain you. They're going to drain the juice out of you. Because just imagine you're taking classes every day from morning to evening. You don't have time for yourself. And on top of that, you also have to study for class. So, yeah.
But thank you for volunteering to clean the board for us. Mr. Barry with the coconut oil. Who does not look like a lawyer. I mean, who does not look like a fool at all. Who does not look like a Well, this generation.
So I had to unmute that particular aspect of the video because irrespective of the classes are very tense, but there are some tutors that make it very lightly for us because they also know these are mental state is at stake. But anyways, so the class was very interesting. We had like 4 classes for the day, and yeah. Another thing also, prepare yourself financially because nobody will tell you. Anyways, I had other vlogs. Like I told you guys, I came home, but I couldn't. But anyways, accept the vlog as it is. Because I'm a student, I have to edit. That is one of the things that really bothers me a lot, editing. So, yeah. When I wear this wig, it's going to be very, 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 very amazing. So like I told you guys, we had like subsequent classes back to back, and these classes start from like 9 a.m. pronto. So there was like 3 and I was so hungry, but trust me to always have something to bite on. So I just took my snack because I was getting tired, I was getting bored, and my village people cannot follow me to this place. I refuse in any more cheese. So I had to take my quick biscuit. I always pack it, to be honest. I always pack something to chew on. It's either be a gum, a sweet, a mint, whatever, so that it keep me awake, because the classes at times might be boring because of the long length of the classes, and also the ACs, where, like I told you guys, where I'm seated, 4 bloody ACs. That was why I was even wearing a hair tie this particular day, because I had to block my ears so that the AC will not, because air, and also the longevity and the cases, and Oh my god, they will not kill us. Anyways, prepare yourself if you're preparing to go into the Sierra Leone Law School or any law school, because I thought it was only students of the Sierra Leone Law School, but law school is just law school anywhere. It's either been Nigeria, Ghana, wherever. Law school is law school. I don't know why this particular video is very long. I'm sure you guys are bored, but don't be bored, okay? Don't be bored, because you guys love me, right? Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's very discouraging at times when I take my time, especially at this particular time that I'm a student. I take my time, make these videos, edit them, and I only get like 20 views. It's very discouraging. There are times, in fact, this particular video was like last month, October, and I'm posting it now because I'm very, very discouraged. Like, it has been sitting in my phone for the longest time. I couldn't edit it, but it's just because of the passion and love that I have for YouTube and content creation that I'm actually doing all of this. So why is this video so long? I need to break it down. Alright, sorry for that long view of my face. So after the class was over, this was at break time, I had to go to the library because they were distributing our library cards, and you need it in order for you to go into the class. But I'm just giving you guys a snap, or if you haven't watched I think I've not done a full campus tour, but I went to the library to collect my ID card. But one thing I love about the Sierra Leone Law School, irrespective of everything that is going on, I love the scenery. It's beautiful, and I am a lover of nature, and the view the school is giving in nature, and I love it. And I think it's good that it keeps your mental state in check, right? So I decided to go for lunch, because tell me why a small plate of macaroni cost 40 leons. Like, why? Even Acheke is 50 leons. Small me, I can't be eating 50 leons. I have to, on top of that, I have to buy something to drink, like a liquid. It's a bit water, and the water is 7 leons. Like, I cannot come and keep myself. And I'm so thankful for this lady. Like, I buy my cakes and snacks and everything for the cost of 20 leons every day. Even that one is expensive, but I gotta do what I gotta do. And you guys will be like, oh, why do you prepare lunch? It is when you come in that you know that lunch you will not be able to prepare, because that was all what I thought. I'll be able to prepare lunch in the morning, and on top of that, my fridge got spoiled. But anyway, so my friends and I bought the food, and we sat in the class. The reason why we didn't sit outside is because we had another class after the break. And if a tutor comes in and you're not in class, sorry for you. So that particular day, I went home and I went to the hospital. Like I told you guys, I was sick. So I went home and I took some treatment. And yeah, so this is the end of the vlog. Hope you like, share, and subscribe. And please forgive me for the way I end my videos. But I love you. Mwah.